Today, a Virginia Beach judge found Kirk Cowart competent to stand trial. He's the man accused of trespassing at a local high school with a weapon in October. And after court, his father made it clear that he needs help to get his struggling son from going to jail again.
Kirk Cowart will be back in court next month. Today, though, for several reasons, he was already looking like a different man to those who know him best.
I was glad to see Kirk. He looked very together. He looked healthy, Mohawk notwithstanding, but he loves the Mohawk.
In October, officers charged Cowart with trespassing on school property, possessing a weapon, and disorderly conduct after being found inside Salem High School early one morning with a hatchet. His father gave us more insight into the dark place his son, a former Marine who says he deployed overseas multiple times, was in.
At the time, the understanding he was under stress and his mind was just kind of losing it. And he didn't have the emotional tools, the mental tools to deal with it.
He remembers trying to help before his son stormed out and ended up at Salem High that day.
Kirk was, making noises and yelling. I guess he was kind of hearing things.
It was another episode he says Kirk had begun experiencing and trying to deal with over the last few years.
It's hard to see your kid kind of not able to make logical sense in our world, but I understand what makes sense in his world.
Cowart spoke to us from jail before a judge initially found him unfit to stand trial. His father says he's been in a state mental health facility ever since in Williamsburg, making great strides. And he says that's what his son needs, a safe place with tools and resources for the long haul.
We need the medical attention and medical accountability for Kirk so that if he's feeling low or manic, we have a place to go.
Robert Cowart said it's actually going to be a good thing to have a trial. He says that he'll be fighting for the VA and the state mental institution to give Kirk the help he needs.